My dear Sagittarius, welcome back. On Monday, your ego takes you in its grasp as you may allow your ego to act and think. For this reason, you may not see eye to eye with a person in power. Whether it will be good or bad is a thought that you have to carry. A word of advice today: listen to your head. Be tactful and diplomatic. Short, intense workouts are favored so that you can burn off the steam that naturally builds up throughout the day without excuses. Stay away from heavy food like bread, dairy, and red meat. Enjoy fresh produce, soups, and legumes for energy that won't slow you down. On Tuesday, romantic ideals and values are the focal points for the most part of today. Love affairs and mind affairs, new things to attach to, and new mission to fall in love with can all be expected in varying degree at one time or another. Be on your best behavior in the office so that no negative marks can be written against you. You may also find that an important business deal is finalized. All the best. Talk to your real estate broker if you're planning to buy or sell one. If you're planning for a job change, this week will let you have the best of its opportunities. Students should invest some more time in getting the best institution for them. On Wednesday, your health is going to be fine on this lively day. Look forward to receive the fruits of your hard efforts. This is also the right time to join a gym or start exercising at home to maintain your fitness level. Spruce up to spice up. This motto will inspire you today. You will rev up your looks to allure your lover. You will look smart, professional, and active and will receive good compliments from your sweetheart. On Thursday, your health will remain fine, but it would always be a matter of concern. Regular exercises are needed to stay active and energetic, otherwise diabetes, sluggishness, and body pains could have drastic effects on them. You definitely need to take care of pains in the legs and problems relating to the teeth. You need to check your blood pressure regularly as you tend to get nervous very easily. Your stomach is also sensitive due to negligence. Piles could also be a cause of concern. If you want to have some good time together, make sure there are no chances of misunderstanding each other, says your horoscope this week. Singles may meet someone really attractive and sophisticated in a party. Make sure you take friendship ahead first. Your optimistic outlook will attract someone you are really fond of. You have to special care for your wife during pregnancy. On Friday, the planetary alignment may bring you a startling revelation, one that you may have preferred not to have known and yet are secretly excited about. It involves a potential relationship with someone you always liked. This is probably someone who you really shouldn't be thinking about in such heavenly ways because these thoughts are preventing you from working efficiently. But you know you will give in and it will be quite delicious. On Saturday, on the love front, a new chapter full of romance and commitments may begin and you may soon fall in love. Salaried employees may do well to remain on friendly terms with their colleagues. Overall, you may feel fresh and energetic throughout this phase. However, there may be some digestive system issues. You may do well to eat a light dinner. Take extra care lest unexpected injuries occur. If you are single, you might bump into a childhood crush at a shopping mall. You may enter a relationship with that person. It is a good thing as it may be better to have a relationship with someone known rather than someone unknown. On the health front, you may face some digestive disorders. Exercise regularly to stay fit. Be careful as you may be prone to accidental injury during this phase. On Sunday, it's time to shake it off and shake it up. Yes, you could just plug into your laptop and get to work while drinking your coffee, but aren't you growing just the slightest bit bored by that? With Venus and the Moon in Gemini in your fifth house of creativity, it's time to break the mold. Drop the routine, make some art. Who cares if it looks like it was done by a 5-year-old? Why not dance to your favorite tunes and work up a sweat while you're at it? You'll feel refreshed and work won't seem nearly as boring.
My dear Sagittarius, welcome back. Okay, now Monday. You may have an influence on your work, career, and money sector. Now, don't panic, but know this: when you experience some instability or some urge in your professional or financial life, it's perfectly alright to feel unsettled every now and then. No, we have all been there, so that's fine, but you will want to do something different to escape the monotony. You will not see things happening the way it used to be. Rather, don't jump into anything without thinking about it long and hard. That's pretty much how Monday is going to be. Now on Tuesday, you will bring in a few complications with regards to your financial conditions. According to the financial horoscope, you may suffer a financial loss. Now I'm very saddened to hear that and say that to you. Or you may end up spending a little extra cash this year. But that does not mean that you cannot bounce back. No one's holding you back here. Things will pick up, and as per the astrological findings in your horoscope, it's rather going to be a fruitful year for you financially, but this is just a temporary phase. Alright, now hang in there. On Wednesday, you can expect an increase in money. Inflow of income will be more than great for you. See what I meant when I said about Tuesday? The period starting from today looks especially bright. Certain surprises are in store for you as well. You can expect things to be more positive for sure. Now on Thursday, things will start getting unfavorable. Unfortunately, crafty Mercury becomes deliberated in a dualistic nature. Now this means that your finance have the chance of hitting a rock bottom for a temporary period, but that is just for the phase. This period will improve to be the utmost challenging phase for you. But you do not worry, because the situation will definitely improve in accordance with the forecast of your financial horoscope. Now, towards the latter part of this week on Friday, you will need to plan your finances way ahead and make sure that you do not overspend. Controlling your finances in a creative manner will help you push through the phase, and you are likely to come out of it successfully. Alright, now towards the weekend on Saturday, after Mercury enters in your fire sign, the situation on the financial front will be on fire and will begin to amaze you. Refrain from taking any major decisions related to finance on the second half of the day. I'll tell you why in a moment. Even though your financials will be fairly good, there is no point taking any risks overall, because planetary position keeps changing. Overall, you are to remain in a healthy financial position on Saturday. Now, towards the end of the week, on the coming Sunday, Sunday is a great period to focus on fresh new starts. You will be starting new projects, working on new opportunities, and embarking on new journeys. You will have a lot of energy and motivation for them. You will be more proactive and more independent, and you'll be so proud of your strong pioneering spirits. You'll be smarter with your choices and changes that you will need to make. You will be more adventurous and creative, and you will have the time of your life. Have a great, awesome week ahead. To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.